Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup, which is inspired by Soojin from (G)I-DLE from the music video Lion. I am so excited for the music video. It's so great. The song is amazing. Everything is great and she looks bomb AF and I want her to be my wife. But that is not possible because she lives in Korea and for no other reason, of course. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Of course, this makeup is literally super simple because I suck at makeup, so I'm not going. This is not a Nikki tutorial or Jeffree Star makeup look, okay? This is like a me makeup look, and also I'm not trying to look Asian or anything. Just want to put that out there, you know, just in case there's some people who wonder. I'm not trying to look Asian. I just am inspired by the makeup that she did because every makeup look that she does, especially the smoky one, looks bomb. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this makeup. Also, do you like my hair? This is my new hair. Let's get on with this video. So this makeup is going to be inspired. It's not going to be like a full-on, like it's the real makeup that she did, because I suck at makeup and I don't have the colors that she is using, but I'm going to try my best and try to recreate at least the same vibe as her. So let's go apply a base because I wanna, you know, I wanna do this properly. Concealer, at least so we can get like a base, and use my Renaissance Modern palette, and I'm going to use this color. And I'm not going to apply it in the entire crease. I'm more going to focus it in this zone right here. Apply a yellow eyeshadow. I'm mixing both colors. I'm going to take it here a tiny bit just to blend, not too much. I grabbed this color, which maybe is going to be better. We'll see. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. And I had a little bit of orange back in the look. Okay, and now I'm going to bring a tiny bit more orange. This one is a bit deeper, but I feel like it will be better. So I'm going to I'm taking a small amount and just tapping. Yeah, I'm going to do a gold eye and then I'm going to apply the glitter on top. So for the gold, I'm going to use a flat brush. And I'm taking it on top here. And then I'm going to take my Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to do some like tiny dots and lines so you get a bit more. If you're wondering, yes, this is 17 behind me. So my eye makeup, at least the top one, is done. So I'm going to do my face. For my face I'm not going to do like, it's not crazy, so I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing because it's usually what I'm doing all the time. Just applying some primer, foundation, alcohol. Let me zoom you guys a little bit in. So I love my eye makeup. It looks great. I say that and then I'm going to watch it on while I edit. I'm like, it looks crusty, girl. I'm going to use highlight after, but it's just so, you see that spot? Yeah, great. I just popped it today, right before this video. You know, call me crazy. I mean, I'm going to do what I do all the time, which is brush them. So what do you guys think about the music video, Lion? I really like the song. It's so good. I'm going to do some gel. And of course, Soojin, is that how you pronounce her name? Looks so good. And the way at the end when she like, ooh, I'm a lion, I'm a queen, and like, marry me. The same one. I don't have money to buy another one, so that will do. We love being poor. Just a little bit of orange. And then I'm going to use a tiny bit of the dark color just to darken up this part so it looks smoky and good. She has a dot underneath. I don't know if it's a beauty mark that she likes to emphasize or it's just something that she likes to do, but I feel like I need to do it. So I'm going to get my eyeliner. When you can't find your eyeliner, easy. Okay, so now I'm going to do my mascara and then we'll do the lips. And people usually do falsies because they think it looks a bit more put together for the makeup look, but you know, this is not a put together channel and I'm not a put together girl, so I'm going to show you what I do in real life, which is never put on false. I'm gonna do the red lip. So for the lip, it's a mix between a red lip and what is that? A like rosy lip. So I'm going to use this. And just so we have this lip, and then I'm going to apply some of my favorite red lip, which is this one. Oh no! The finish. Let me put down my frame. There you go. Duh. Do I need to do like what is the hairstyle that she has in the music video? It's something like this, I think. But I don't have the face for this. I don't think so. And also my hair are too clean. I put some oil in it so they are really slippery, which is not great. So this is the end for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you enjoyed the makeup that I did. Let me know if you did the same thing, or if you did this makeup, then please tag me or send me the picture via DM on Instagram, which will be right there. This is my Instagram. I will accept every DMs that you send me, unless it's like a creepy DMs, but send me a picture if you recreated the makeup, or if you did your makeup with your own ideas. Let me know. I want to see it. I want to see you guys do makeup, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be even better than me. So yeah, this is the end for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell, which it can give you a notification every time I post a video. Yes, I know this is crooked. I cannot put it straight. It doesn't stay. Oh, it does, but see, it doesn't. Okay, so bye. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be electric. 노래 나 이기르기.